All right, check this out. Got a winter storm warning. And look at this, all night long, and then all day tomorrow. Snow. Okay, so I've never done this before, but I'm going out camping tonight in the town that I live. I live in Carson City, Nevada. And I'm gonna be stealth camping because I'm in my own neighborhood. Gonna be camping, and there's a small, kind of a ridge, just about a block and a half from my house here. And it's snowing like crazy right now. And it's about, well, it's about 12:30 at night. Yep, there it is. And so there's nobody out, everyone's sleeping. And I thought, well, let's go up there for the night. I got a little spot, and it's completely surrounded by city. There's neighborhoods, and then there's businesses. And anyways, we're heading out there. That's what we're doing. That's where I'm going. That's next. All right. Yeah, like I said, it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. Snowing like crazy though. Nice quiet night. So what we got here is a little turnoff between a couple of houses. And then that's my small ridge right up there. See that? All right, super tall sagebrush up here. But I found a spot behind some rocks. That's on the other side of this little mountain, I guess. And we'll see the whole town. Well, most of it. Okay, so my house is right over here. Right down in here. That is my street. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, right down in here is my street, so everyone's sound asleep. Except the crazy YouTubers doing stealth snow videos. Okay, so here's the setup. Wind's picking up, and there's the backpack right there. That's all secured. Got the Z seat, so I can kneel on that at least. And here's the Kelty Cosmic Down Climate Static V with my pillow here, and then underneath the Static V, we have the Thermarest Z light. So I got plenty of insulation, and I should be just fine. Plus the Teton sleeping bag liner, which is right here. So I am ready to crawl into bed. It's super late. It's like 2:30 in the morning. So I'm gonna shut this light off. I don't want to give myself away too much here. But there's snowplows because they got to work through the night during the snowstorm. So it's the temp's dropping a little bit. My hands are getting cold. Anyways, I'll maybe check back in with you in a few hours. And I got a big breakfast I'm gonna try and cook. There's a rock up there I'm gonna maybe cook under. Maybe just down here somewhere. But I actually got a steak and some hash browns, oatmeal, and coffee. And I got to do that really early because then I got to bug out of here because I got to hike through the neighborhood with a full backpack on. So, and it looks kind of strange to see what's this guy doing hiking down the middle of our street when everyone's heading to work, you know, or at least shoveling their driveways or whatever, and this guy's hiking around with a full backpack. Looks kind of suspicious. So anyways, heading to bed. So we'll talk in the morning. Okay, good night. Okay, so it says the winter storm is in effect till 4 p.m. today. There's the storm system. I'm right in the middle there. Wow. That's what's going on. All right, good morning, by the way.
pretty cold in here. But, oh, my phone's making some noises. My alarm just went off. There it is. Ah, there it is. Okay, we're good. We are good. It is time to get up. I had the plastic bag over the boots last night, so that helped. That helped keep them a little warmer. But yeah, we got some snow in here. We got some moisture in here too. I vented it somewhat, but not enough. Look at that. It's really important that you. Wow. Yep. The snow is packed around me. Let's see what's going on out here. Oh boy. All right. Well, this is my day waiting for me. Let me get that skillet going, and I got that little bit of a steak and hash browns. There I am. I can hear snowplows all around me. Can you guys hear that? Yeah, there's snowplows. I slept pretty good, surprisingly. But yeah, it's my tent's wet. So I can hear cars now too. So I better shut the headlight off. There we go. All right. I'm gonna get up and get the stuff going here. All right, I am starting with the coffee right here. Pocket Rocket 2. But we are in a snowstorm, so coffee is essential. But yeah, I'm surprised. Ooh, yikes. But yeah, but coffee is essential. Boy, there's a lot of movement around me. A lot of people getting ready, trying to head to work. Oh God. Okay. Wow. Okay. Hold on. Determined to get this coffee. Determined. Wow. Okay. Best part of waking up, huh? Taster's choice. Hazelnut. Okay. There we go. Oh, that feels so good in the hands. Wow. That feels good. There we go. Goal number 1 accomplished. I got to get it inside of me. Okay. Goal number 2. We can do this. Wow, this is really, really challenging. It's windy and it's wet snow. This is really hard. Sirloin steak. There we go. Hash browns. Yeah, the wind is picking up, and I think the snow is picking up too. The temp is dropping. My fingers are really cold. Good traffic right down below me there. So, all right. Well, hopefully we can get some footage here with the lens getting covered in snow and ice. So, and there's my home is down that way somewhere. All right, back to the steak and coffee here. I don't have a knife, so I'm gonna have to eat this animal style. Salt and pepper shaker. There we go. Woo. Oh, coffee's so helpful. So helpful to have the coffee. Okay, here's my breakfast. I really don't know how much longer this camera is going to last. It's been going off and on. I think the moisture's getting to it and the snow's getting to it and stuff. But hope this isn't the end of the video. But anyways, I'm going to eat this breakfast and pack it up. All right. Well, looks like we survived the night. We just got to pack it up here. But it looks like we're going to make it. It's just everything's so wet. It's so wet out here. It's crazy. But anyways, I made it. Made it through the night. Not even sure how, but here I am. So you can see how wet I am. Look at this. I'm sopped. I could not do a second night without being able to dry out somehow. Really important, but I am packed up and heading down here. So the forecast calls for snow all day and then a little break this evening and then more snow tonight. So, and the Sierra Nevadas, they're getting feet and feet of snow in the Tahoe Basin, which is straight west of here. So that would be pretty challenging to be up there because your car could be buried when you come back. Even if you had snowshoes and everything, you still have to get to the car and then get down the mountain. So that's always the challenge with that. But thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Keep hiking.